So you might not be aware of this, but one of the greatest superpowers you have is the ability to choose one thought over another at any given moment. To choose one thought over another at any given moment. And that is a superpower so few of us actually appreciate we have, because when we do appreciate this concept, what happens is we have the ability in our hands to bend reality. And you might have heard about this concept of what we bring into our thinking, what we bring into our focus, we bring into our reality. And this is exactly what this concept touches on. You see, there isn't one reality for all of us. There is only customized realities in which each and every one of us lives through every day. In effect, we are living in the feeling of our thinking. So an event may happen, and the way you experience it or interpret it will be very different to the way your friend does, or your partner, or close friends interpret it. And that's because the mind is adding meaning to it. We are interpreting an event in our own customized way. And that is where we have the ability to choose a different thought at any moment. So this is why, for example, we have incidences where an event happens, and for some people, they see it as a problem, while other people see it as an opportunity. So in a way, that ability allows us to control our reality in whatever shape or form. It also allows us to go back to the past and recreate the meanings that we derive from some of those past events. You see, the facts are events happen. We can't change the fact that events have happened. What we can change is what they mean for us. And that's what creates our reality. The fact that at any given moment, we can choose one thought over another. When we're aware of this, we're able to rise above an event and decide how we take meaning from that. And that, in essence, is a catalyst for the action we then take on the outside. So if you interpret an event to be an opportunity, well, the action you're going to take will be very different to if you derive an event to be a problem or a negative. And that is the power of how our thinking creates the reality we live in. So what thoughts can you change in order to shift your reality? Because keep in mind, what you focus on grows, and what you bring into your thinking, you bring into your reality. Thank you very much for watching. We'd love to hear some of your feedback in the comments below, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to speaking to you again soon.